Our Stamps Only Personal Shopper monthly subscription kit is now premier. That means that members will receive the stamp before anyone else on the planet. This month, for January, it's flowers and lace, and isn't that beautiful? So many designs. Not only are there corner and focals, but there's also words, which is what we always do. On the back, there are a couple of ideas to get you started, but members will receive even more in the newsletter that will accompany the stamp. And it's going to have the project's complete instructions, as well as a look at what's happening the next month. Yes, that too is a premiere. And there's a members only offer with a 20% savings. Let's see what the projects are using flowers and lace. Here is the first one, and this is using a pattern paper and stamping in blue. And isn't that stunning on this card? You can see the border, and the border is right here on the stamp, perfectly positioned across this stamp, or you can make it longer just by stamping more. I love the layering. Honestly, I wouldn't have thought about that looking at this stamp set, but it's a beautiful look. I love the flowers adding in there. And this is an all-over design. Added some silver dazzles, as you can see, and we always show you the inside of the card also. Here is another look, speaking of layering. So you can see that great big piece, and then another one going over the top of it with another of the stamp designs, and doing a little bit of some paper piecing right there. Down here, the happy birthday. I love that flourish, really, really sweet. On the inside, using that same little one again, just beautifully done. And speaking of layering, this is creating a window inside that stamped image. This is some heat embossed on our heat resistant acetate, just beautifully done. And as you can see, there's the border again, so you can have it turned up or turned down, however you like. And then on the inside, isn't it stunning with that white embossing powder? Oh, so pretty. Now you can add the pieces separately, as has been done on this card. So you can see the little corner and the individual blossoms, as well as on the inside of the card. And last but certainly not least, we really have a whole look of lace. Now this part is on the paper, so don't look at that. All of this has been done with the stamp, but really fun to pair it with the white truffle paper. It's a perfect pairing, as you can see. Isn't that gorgeous? And then on the inside, we've left this blank so that you can add whatever message you want. So that's what we have with flowers and lace for our premier Stamps Only. We invite you to join us every single month, where you're going to get a brand new stamp set. Now these are silicone stamps. That means they're not sticky. They won't turn yellow. And there are, in this one, 18 different designs. So you can see you always get a lot. And we make it extra easy for this to come to your door. You're paying the retail price of the stamp set, but you know you're getting free shipping. And join us at paperwishes.com. Go to the homepage over on the right. You'll see monthly kits, and Stamps Only is one that you'll love.